Hi there, Matt from eLogic here. I'm excited to share with you today our Pinpoint sales solution, and in this particular demonstration, geared toward the aftermarket parts business. Pinpoint uses machine learning to provide your aftermarket sales teams with leads that have a very high likelihood of closing. In short, we tell your reps what to sell and to whom to sell it to. With that said, let's take a look at the solution, and I'll show you how to get your fair share of the aftermarket.
Most manufacturers rate themselves as excellent at designing, manufacturing, and selling their equipment. But many don't feel like they've mastered the opportunity against the full product lifecycle by taking advantage of the aftermarket. What we've often found is that many companies are rich on data, but poor on actionable insights. They have streams of data across their entire organization, but haven't figured out how to make it easily accessible and actionable for sales, especially in the aftermarket. Most sales reps don't have a clear picture of what equipment, parts, and services customers have. Without that insight, your sales teams struggle to meet the deeper needs of your customers. If you lack visibility into key aftermarket influencers that contribute to customer shortfalls, like price and availability, and don't know your aftermarket sales performance, it renders you powerless to make the needed changes to fix the problems. Pinpoint Sales for Aftermarket directly addresses these industry challenges through eLogic's unique combination of proprietary data science and industry domain expertise to unlock the true potential of your highest value aftermarket opportunities. We access and organize all of your complex, fragmented data sets, streamlining them into one accessible pipeline of actionable insights for your company's leadership and aftermarket sales teams. Pinpoint surfaces and updates existing customer asset portfolios and service history, empowering reps with information to have value-based conversations, leading to deeper customer partnerships. They can call knowing exactly what products and services that customer needs and how likely they are to buy. Through Pinpoint's closed-loop feedback system, leadership has the clear visibility into revenue opportunity and which teams are converting against those leads. Ultimately, Pinpoint is telling your reps what to sell and to whom. Okay, so jumping into a demonstration of the solution as seen through Microsoft's visualization tool Power BI and CRM via Microsoft Dynamics. Here we are in Power BI and we're looking through the executive lens. We're most interested in consuming our entire aftermarket business in one dashboard and understanding the key drivers that are impacting our growth. There's critical KPIs and trends, top sales office revenue allocated by product family, and sales history, all sliceable by any of the filters or visuals seen on this page. Further, since I'm accountable for growing the aftermarket business, this second dashboard leverages the Pinpoint part recommendations, again filterable by sales office to best depict where to realize revenue. We can select New York, reveal Pinpoint recommendations monetary value, and learn the historical revenue trend is positive. Conversely, we look at Grand Rapids and see revenue trend is downward sloping. But we also learn that there are nearly $900,000 of Pinpoint generated opportunity that will positively impact that revenue performance. Next, from a sales manager perspective, I want to grow my business within my given territory. I have the ability to pick a specific sales office and specific rep to understand what Pinpoint opportunity they should be attacking, listed on the right-hand table. Now, jumping over to CRM, we put our sales rep hat on. I want a single platform that enables me to manage my activity and planning. Within a given account, I have Pinpoint recommendations, which are specific to that account, at my fingertips, equipping me with the data intelligence to drive revenue in and increase my hit rate. Pinpoint gives reps the ability to dismiss recommendations, snooze them for a later date, and convert them right to an opportunity. Whichever you choose, that signal will be routed back into the underlying Pinpoint engine to improve future recommendations. Let's convert this Pinpoint lead to an opportunity because I believe it's a solid recommendation, and I'm off and running.
So there you have it. That's Pinpoint Sales for the aftermarket. The solution continuously uncovers data-driven and fact-based leads that are consumable by different levels of your aftermarket business and are highly likely to close. Executives have the ability to consume their business's performance and focus in on the areas that matter most to them. Sales leaders and sales managers are pointed to prescriptive leads, the blueprint to create growth. Sales reps are empowered with the right leads to know what to sell and to whom to sell it to. Thank you for watching.